Hi. Welcome to the Primal Health Digital channel. In this video, I will review the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. If you are thinking to buy a Snow Teeth Whitening Kit, then watch this video till the end. The Snow Teeth Whitening Kit has gained a lot of popularity recently, and you may have seen them recommended by a number of celebrities and featured on TV programs. In addition, the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit has a shitload of excellent customer reviews. The product has been sold by 1 million plus times. A Snow product is ordered every 55 seconds. I've tried several whitening products in the past, and as the story goes, my teeth and gums became extremely sensitive. Up until recently, I had bid farewell to these DIY teeth whitening products. With the promising allure of gum friendliness and visible results, Snow lured me out of retirement to begin a teeth whitening expedition in uncovering if Snow's teeth whitening lives up to its claims. Features and benefits. Award-winning starter bundle includes 3 wands of teeth whitening serum with built-in applicators, 1 original LED whitening accelerating technology mouthpiece, 1 wand of extra strength whitening serum for even faster results, dentist-formulated and easy to use in seconds at home, thousands of glowing 5-star reviews, highest rated teeth whitening products on Trustpilot. 75 plus treatments per kit, less than $2 per whitening treatment. Recommended by 9 out of 10 dentists according to Dental Advisor. How does Snow Teeth Whitening work? Curious to know what makes your teeth whiter? The Snow Whitener Serum contains hallmark whitening agents hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, plus peppermint oil for a nice flavor. Peroxide gels break down into water, oxygen and reactive oxygen molecules, according to Sophia Nichols, DMD, owner of the eponymous dental practice in Brick Township, New Jersey. These reactive oxygen molecules treat both the enamel and dentin, oxidizing the bonds of discolored stain molecules. By changing the stain molecules, the tooth becomes lighter. Teeth whitening happens during peroxide's contact time with teeth. It needs an appropriate amount of time to permeate the enamel, Dr. Nichols says. So, DIY kits like Snow's has less to do with an LED light and more to do with peroxide as an ingredient. The light is most often used as a means to activate the gel, as it may help break apart the gel and accelerate the whitening reaction process. This doesn't necessarily mean longer-lasting results, as that depends on the patient's diet and lifestyle, which will restain the teeth over time, she says. How to use Snow Teeth Whitening at home. The kit came with instructions on its best practices and steps to follow, but even without a guide, I could figure out how to use it just fine. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes using circular motions. When finished, floss and rinse. 2. Apply serum. Twist up the wand and apply serum to each tooth. Paint each tooth as you would your nails. 3. Whiten. Once the serum has been applied to your teeth, plug the LED light into your device and put the mouthpiece in. Keep the light in for 10 to 30 minutes. Time varies based on your desired whiteness. 4. Rinse. After whitening for your desired length of time, unplug and remove the light from your mouth. Rinse both the light and your mouth, and voila! You're done. Pricing. 1 pack of Snow Teeth Whitening Kit comes at $149. 2 packs for $250. You save $48. 4 packs for $499. You save $97. Where to buy? I have given the official website link in the description.